It has features such as the motion sensors, up to 4-player Wii remotes, the gamepad camera, and it is also well commented and will be included with the Nintendo Web Framework SDK as a demo game that developers can learn from. So this is the title for Sketch Battle. It's made up of 3 different modes centered around a battle mode. Each one of these modes is actually a different set of HTML pages, so they can be developed independently of each other. So the first thing I want to show you is the level editor. So I'm going to go to Edit Stage. So here behind me and on the gamepad screen is the level editor. And I can select platforms and go ahead and start drawing them. And what this is using is the HTML5 canvas element and plenty of standard APIs to update this level. So let's take a minute and draw some things. And if I hit save, it'll update dynamically on the TV. And I think, is it Alan? Alan is jumping around giving a play test of my level here. And this is March Madness and GDC, so let's add some few more level elements. And this is the programming track, so please don't judge me on my level design. All right, let's hit save. How's that look? All right. And we're going to return back to the top menu. So I'm going to select battle mode, and we're going to go ahead and play the level we just made, and I will show you off some of the other functionality of the Nintendo Web Framework. So as we select some characters, let's find that level. No! All right, we got it. So as Rob and Alan battle it out here down on the TV, behind me on the gamepad, I'm going to show you some of the functionality of the Nintendo Web Framework. So the first thing I can do is I can go ahead and select this button here, Camera, and what that'll do is that'll go ahead and start the gamepad's camera. And man, the lights are bright. Man, you guys get a sense of what I have over here. And what that does is that'll stream the image directly from the gamepad into an HTML5 canvas element. And as you can see, there's no effect on performance. And as I mentioned earlier, the Nintendo Web Framework API gives you access to the gyroscope, the accelerometer data. So I selected rotate here, and I can modify the gravity of the world. If I'm cruel, I can just dump them off the screen. And I can't see this here, so. And shake. I have the accelerometer data, so I can kind of modify it. And lastly here, the physics powering this particular demo is a JavaScript port of Box 2D. And if I select up here in the top right-hand corner a pen tool, I can actually draw platforms that, or I can just trap them. And they become quiteable Box 2D platforms. So I hope this gives you a sense of what you can develop with the Nintendo Web Framework. Please stop by the Nintendo booth. We'll have this demo. We've also brought a lot of other demos. We'd be happy to give you a